I've been dashing left to right to see the best to rock this summer. That is me. So I ran into this website that is called Stylewe. It's my first time of getting things from them, and I am so surprised of the quality. Quality wise, price wise, is fabulous. So summer is here. I've been dashing left to right to see the best to rock this summer. So I ran into this website that is called Stylewe. It's my first time of getting things from them. Quality wise, price wise, is fabulous. Really, I have a few things here that I want to share with you guys. I'm going to try them on for you guys. I got some things X because since I don't know much about them and I've not tried their outfit before, I went to their sizing their sizing boards to like check, but that couldn't really help me out. So I would advise, if you want to get anything from this website, make sure you measure yourself to know the exact size you are going to take. Okay, I got some items medium and I got some small because since it is new to me, I don't want to be like I said let me try it that way to see which will fit me well, and I'm glad I did because I found out that this website, most of their things are a little bit stretchy. Okay, their fabric is a little bit stretchy. A person like me that used to wear M, if you want to get anything from this website, you should be taking S. That's why I said it would be better if you take your measurement before getting anything from the website, so you can know your exact size. But aside that, everything is mwah. Yeah, I have some few pieces here. I love their pants, I love their dresses. I just say, okay, let me play with some things from there, and definitely I'll be going back. So I'm going to reach to them to see if I can be able to secure a discount code, and I will be glad to do that. If I'm able to secure a discount code, I will leave it on the description box if I'm able to like secure a discount code from them. Quality wise of this item, they are amazing. They are amazing. I have few things here. I have pants, I have two-piece, okay, here, and I have a dress. So I'm just going to try each of these outfits with you guys. Let's see how they will look on me because I really want to slay this summer. And no one is going to hold me. You cannot even hold me. I'm not joking. So the first item I'm going to share with you guys is this top here. It's 2-in-1 anyway. It has a kind of a jacket. I'm going to wear the two together for you guys to see. I just decided to pair it up with this jean. You can see this jean is from them. I love the detail of the jean. Look at how fit it is. And this one is size S, okay? I decided to take S. Normally I wear M when it comes to jean, but I was just like, okay, let me take S to see. And the S is just perfect. You guys can see it is so perfect. And I like these jeans because it makes your rollers a little big. You can see here, you can see this upper size. This is S I'm wearing and it fits so well, and I like it because it is high waist, okay, and it has two pockets in front. The top is very long. You can see from the back that it is long, so long. Okay, so I'm going to like style it in the other way so that you guys can see. And the texture, this is cotton, okay? It is cotton. You need to feel this. So guys, this is it with the belt. There's the belt. It has pockets, okay? So this is the shirt, the plain shirt that I wore with that jean. So it came with this belt you're seeing here. So this is the back of it. You just tie it at the back. And yeah, and this pant here, this pant is pocket cargo pants. I like the way it fits. It has two pockets here, two pockets, and you can remove this belt. If you don't want to wear it with this belt, you can just remove this belt and wear it like that. See, you can decide to fold the shirt. Yeah, I like it so much. It's cotton, okay? The quality is really, yeah. And the way the pants fit, it has some pleats here. They pleat it here. You can see here. So I really love this. So guys, I also got this pants in yellow color. I got to this yellow and that carton color because I really love it so much. The shape, everything about this pant is just giving me life for the summer. And the yellow, you know, you cannot go wrong with yellow. See, I really love this. Let me show you guys the full look by the side so that you guys can see the way it looks. Same thing with that other carton color anyway. Nothing changes, but I just like to I like the yellow. The yellow is calling. It's just flashing, okay? This yellow is S. That carton color is S, okay? I took S, which is small. Then there's elastic by the waist, okay? In case. So if you are my size, you can take S. Then if you're a little bit bigger than me, you can take M, or you can still take S because it's stretchy. Anyway, yeah, guys, next is this two piece you're seeing here. Although I bought the two separately, this one separately from this one, so I had to mash it together. I really love it. You guys should see how I slay this here. I just want to give it a vibe. It's kind of high waist, okay? You can draw the trouser up. It's high waist, you see, but I decided to bring it down. Okay, that's how I like it, and I slay it with sneakers. It's so comfy and it's so stylish. It came with a belt. So I'm going to put a picture of how it looks like on the website so that you guys can see. You can rock it the way you like. So this is how I like rocking mine, and I feel so comfortable, so comfy with it. I'm going to tuck it in for you guys to see. Two ways I'm going to dress it, but I'm not going to put this belt because the belt, the hole they put inside, because my waist is so tiny. Because my waist is so tiny, so if I put it around my waist, it will get up to this place, and there is no hole here. So that is why I decided not to put the belt. It's so gorgeous and so comfy. I really like it, and I like this. Is it military, whatever here? I don't know how they put these two strap here. Makes it look like joggers. Give me that. I don't know if you guys are getting it. I really like it. This is the back. Next is this top. So this one is over 3D pretty shirt called color blues. And since it's summer, I decided to expose little of my hands, and I pair it with my handbag and my shoes. Okay, I so much love it, and I love the texture of the satin, and this 3D print is giving. It's giving. I love it. So the top is long. I'm going to show you guys how long. So this is the length of the top. You can see that it's long. You see it? So if you want to fly it, it's up to you. I prefer tucking my clothes. I'm the tucking mistress. When it comes to tucking, to tuck in your clothes, I'm number one. I love doing that because I think when you tuck in your clothes, you give it more fitting than when you just free them like this. There are some clothes you can free, okay, but there are some you just have to give them a little style, add a little style to it to make it look more stunning. There's a silver stone here. So guys, next is this regular sleeves, elegant, plain long sleeve party mask dress. Guys, I love this one. Every detail about it is keeping. I love it. The length, the sleeves, the way it is, the sewing, everything is just giving me party, okay? The length is perfect. The sleeves are perfect. It's stretchy anyway. It's stretchy. So if you wear medium, I would advise you to take S because this one is S, okay? And it's so perfect. It's not too small. It's not too large. You can see that it's stretchy. I really love this, and I like the detail of the neck. You can see it here. That is it. Like I said, I'm going to reach out to them to know if there will be any discount code. I know you guys love that. If there will be any, I'm going to put it on the description box. The link to their website will be on the description box, and the link to all these outfits that I tried will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check it out. So with all that being said, gorgeous, please, before you go, if you like it here, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. I will see you guys in my next try on haul. Bye guys. I'm still going to buy so many things from Stylewe to try with you guys. So don't be surprised because I like the quality of their things. I like the quality of all the outfits. I really like them. Lovely.
Just wanna feel your touch.